Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. In the previous session, we were discussing about the topic 1848, the revolution of the liberals. So, 1848 it was marked as an important event in the history of Europe because 1848 it made significant change. The change was mainly brought because of three important reasons. Mainly, economic hardship or economic instability made people to revolt. Then artisans, peasants, industrialists and others they took part to overcome from the economic hardship. Then middle class people in Europe, they demanded for their own constitution as well as their representative government. And different reasons like Germans, Magyar, Poles, Kruz and others, they demanded for their own nation states or nation unity or nation identity. So because of these, various revolts took place in the year 1848. First revolution or first revolt we discussed about, that is revolt in France. In France, 1848, vast population in Paris, they revolted against their king Louis Philippe because of acute food scarcity or acute food shortage. Then because of that widespread unemployment, and because of these two reasons, people demanded for National Assembly to proclaim France as a republic. Then all adult men above the age of 21 years need to be given right to vote, and all the adult males need to be assurance, guarantee for getting right to work. And most importantly, people demanded for freedom of press and freedom of farming and association. This is the first revolution. Then after discussing about France, let us discuss what has happened in Germany. In the month of May 1848, year will be common. In the month of February in France, now in the month of May, it is the other revolt which was mainly taken place in Germany. So in the month of May 1848, the political associations in Germany, which comprised with middle class businessmen, professionals and artisans, they marched to the city of Frankfurt. In the month of May 1848, people comprised with political associations, including middle class people, businessmen, professionals, artisans and other people, they march means not month, it's a movement. For example, during the celebration of Independence Day, Republic Day and other national festivals, we go on taking part in March Fast. March means we are representing how we are disciplined in the form of March Fast. So March, people started to march towards Frankfurt and they decided to vote for German National Assembly. Then on 18th May 1848, German National Assembly, they elected about 831 representatives. 831 representative all these 831 representative, they marched in a festive procession. Festive procession. Festive procession means ದಿಬ್ಬಣದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಹಬ್ಬ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಚಿತ್ರಣದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶ ಅಥವಾ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ತುಂಬ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಷನ್, ಇನ್ ಎ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಷನ್, all these 831 different elected representative to German National Assembly, they marched towards Frankfurt National Parliament, held in Church of Saint Paul. Saint Paul. These elected representatives, they demanded collectively for constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy means they want the German National Assembly to be administered by adopting or by having their own constitution, and the rules and regulations or the policies mentioned in the constitution, they are the supreme. So this demand of the elected representatives, it was mainly rejected or refused by Frederick. That's why King William Frederick IV, he goes on refusing the demands of 831 representatives, one who demanded for constitutional monarchy or constitutional supremacy to be administered for German National Assembly. So this King William Frederick IV, King of Prussia, when he refuses, then the other monarchies, other people in Germany and other group of revolutionaries or political leaders with due opposition, and on the day assembly of 831 representatives, it was banned, it was rejected. So that's why it became the most important reason for the middle class people, artisans and other people to go for taking part in revolt. So ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 1848 ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ತಿಂಗಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಫರ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ artisans, peasants, professionals and other people, they marched, and in the same May month, May 18th, so all these members collectively they elect 831 representatives to German National Assembly. ಈ 831 ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳು ಜರ್ಮನ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾದಂತಹ ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳು, ಇವರ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಷರತ್ತು ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜರ್ಮನ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆಯಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ನಿರಾಕರಿಸಿದ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲಿಯಂ ಫೆಡ್ರಿಕ್ IV. ಇವನು ಪ್ರಶಿಯಾದ ಅರಸ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರ ನಿರಾಕರಣೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವರ್ಗ, ಮಧ್ಯಮ ವರ್ಗ, ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ವರ್ಗ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ವರ್ಗದ ಜನ ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದರ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇ 18, 1848ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Woman revolt or position of woman. Woman position or woman revolt. Woman always struggled. She always made constant attempts and activities for getting her suffrage right. Suffrage means right to vote. So from time immemorial, from the past, woman is not taken into consideration for political affairs, political matters, matter of administration. She is totally denied, and it is believed that women need to be concerned with their father or husband's property and belongings, and she is not even right to express her opinion in the form of vote or suffrage. So because of assuring her right to vote, woman made regular constant attempts. She took active participation and various activities to get her right to vote. So women collectively they formed their own political associations, they formed their own political parties. With their associations and political parties, they went with demonstrating, demanding. What is the importance of woman, or why woman is denied, refused in getting her right to vote? So for that even Frankfurt Parliament, which was held at St. Paul, so there also woman political associations, political parties, they demanded, they raised their voice, and even she created a revolt. The main intention of woman, it is to get her right to vote and right to take the active participation and active involvement in the political matters or matter of administration. After discussing about revolt in France, revolt in Germany, then revolt made by woman or woman revolt. So all these three different revolts made some of the impressions, results. About results of 1848 revolts we will discuss in tomorrow session. Until then, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you, all.